Okay, we're back to solve more equations with the distributive property and using undo tables. So let's look at this one. 5x plus 2 times the quantity 2x plus 4 equals negative. We know that if there's no number there, it's actually a 1. So negative 1 times the quantity 3x minus 10. So I see a negative and I see a minus sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is change this to add the opposite. The next thing I'm going to do is notice that my negative is actually a negative 1. And that's the number that will be distributed on that quantity. Okay, so I look for combining like terms, and I do not see anything that is alike over here. I cannot combine this term with this term while it's inside of parentheses. That is not allowed. Don't even try it. And I don't see any combining of like terms on this side either. So step 2 tells me to distribute. Okay, so 5x, again, can't be combined. It's on its own for now. So just write it down and the plus sign. Now let's distribute 2 times 2x and 2 times 4. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 4 is plus 8. That's equal to 1 times 3x and 1 times a negative 10. 1 times 3x is negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x plus negative 1 times a negative 10. Two negatives, when we multiply, makes a positive. So that would be plus 10. Now I'm ready to combine like terms again. On this side, I see that I have 2 terms with the x in them. So those are considered like terms. Go ahead and circle those. 5x plus 4x equals 9x. Nothing to combine with the 8, so plus 8 equals. Nothing to combine on the right, so we just bring everything down to the line. Negative 3x plus 10. Now I look at my to-do list. Get variables on one side of the equal sign. Okay? I can move negative 3x to the left, or I can move 9x to the right. It's preferable to have our x values on the left, so I'm going to move this negative 3x. To move it, I need it to equal 0 on this side, so I need to do the opposite of what it says here. Since it's negative 3x, I will add 3x. If I do it to one side, I must do it to the other. So add 3x. Okay, 9x plus 3x is a total of 12x plus 8. Again, nothing to do with the plus 8 quite yet. Over here, these have now canceled out, and I'm just left with a positive 10. Now I'm down to a 2-step equation, and this is where we can use our undo tables. Our variable is x, and we need to look at what's happening to x. The first thing that's happening to x is it's being multiplied by 12. The second thing that's happening is adding 8, and the whole thing equals 10. Now we just need to undo all of these actions. Plus 8 becomes minus 8, times 2 becomes divided, times 12 becomes divided by 12. And now we perform the actions from the bottom up. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 12 gives us the fraction 2/12, and that can be simplified. Common factor is 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So x equals 1/6. And we are done.